Octember Fail number 6. This was mentioned in the first Octember Fail for this year. The rear light in the garage door opener was out, and I've been using percussive maintenance, so we'll see if that works. Yeah, it blinked. Very strange. So now I got to get up there again. Alright, let's see what the hell is going on now. So we'll open the cover. It flashed again. Okay, now it works. So I don't know if that means the bulb is starting to crap out and it has just a shitty connection there, or the socket itself is fucked up. I don't know. I don't really like it where it is now. I'm going to open this one more time. It's probably too hot to touch. Yeah, it is. So we're just going to leave that and make believe that never happened. And that's it. Now, I know I've said that a light bulb burning out does not necessarily constitute an Octember fail. However, in this case, because it failed already and had been failing numerous times, this kind of counts as an interesting fail. I won't really know what the deal is until that bulb finally calls it quits, and no amount of twisting it back and forth will solve the problem. So I guess this will be an ongoing issue for some time, where only half of the lights work and the other half don't. I don't know. Anyway, that's it. Now I gotta get down from here, put this chair back in the backyard, put the bike back in the garage, close everything up. A lot of work just to do this. But anyway, it works again. That's the main thing. So that is Octember Fail number 6 resolved, along with 5, which is resolved until it craps out again, along with 4, which is resolved until it craps out again, like Octember Fail 3, which is resolved until it craps out again, and that's pretty much it. So here's to hoping that Octember ends real soon, because this is getting kind of ridiculous. We're getting into past, almost the middle of November now. I don't know. This might go on a little while longer. This might go all the way till December. I don't know. We'll have to see. But all this weird shit going on, I don't like. And another interesting thing is we've had a lot of warm days and some cooler days. So things have kind of been coming in spurts, coming and going. This one, Fail 5 and Fail 4, all happened in the same day that I noticed them anyways. So that's fun. Anyway, that's going to wrap this up. I thank you very kindly for watching, and I greatly appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.